What is up, everybody? Average Model Guy bringing it back at you in the Average Model Dungeon. So here's what we got. Continuing on with my Armed Forces group build, I'm doing the Apache helicopter. Didn't do an unboxing, got some work done, just didn't feel like recording. If you guys watched the previous video before this one, then you'll understand why. But I'm trying to get back into it and worked on a little bit last night and got this part done. Got me all filled and sanded, and then the cockpit, which I think I showed in the last video. Look in there. So yep, got that all done. So now we're gonna be tackling these steps right here. Let me get those knocked out. I've got everything already cut and cleaned up, but I wanted to show you a few things. I'm gonna go ahead and tape this off and get the nozzles painted for the exhaust. And then same with these, I'm gonna go ahead and get them painted, and that way I don't have to mess around with it once everything's assembled. And then one other note I wanted to bring to your attention. This piece right here, I think it's one of them that goes like outside of the helicopter. It's got a little hole right here that you drill out. So if you're only, I think it's for versions B, C, and E in this kit. So I'm doing version B, so I went ahead and drilled that out. So make sure you pay attention and don't skip over that step, because I'm sure something's going to go in there. I haven't looked ahead. So I'm going to do the other side, and I'm going to get the other 4 nozzles painted up, and then get this assembled. And then when I come back, yeah, this should all be taken care of. So I'll see you in a minute. Okay, I'm back. Just wanted to interrupt it for a second here. I went ahead and got those taped off and painted on the inside. And then I also did the little front fan here. You can see that? So what I'm gonna do is I got a little circle template right here. I'm gonna match up that size, and I'm gonna cut out to tape off the inside of there, and I'm also going to tape off now that part of the engine nozzle there. So we'll get those taped off, and then when I come back, probably have most of it assembled, I think, unless I find something that's tricky or whatever. And then yeah, we'll get it on the fuselage and be sitting good. All right, guys, got the parts on. You can see wings on, engines on, these little side pieces are on. Got my landing gears on, everything taped off, but I need to so far. So yeah, that's gonna do it for this episode, guys. So if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe if you're not already subscribed. I want to welcome all my new subscribers. Appreciate you guys being here and sticking with me. And I'll see you guys next time in the dungeon.